Let's get to the final trade of the day now with Mike Patton, head trader at Thunder Trading. Hope you're having a good day, Mike. What's your trade of the day?
Yes, we do. Okay, so I'm looking at CDE. I believe it's pronounced Coeur Mining Incorporated. It's spelled C-O-E-U-R, but the symbol again is C as in Charlie, D as in Doug, E as in Eric. They're a mining company. They specialize in silver and gold mining. Well, they're based in Chicago, actually, but they have a little mine in the Midwest. They have about 2,107 employees. So this is a company, I don't usually track mining companies, but this one looks like it has a really good profile. Looks like they're seeing some improvements in their earnings growth. They're projected to see significant earnings growth going forwards into 2025. And there's an obvious change in their trajectory. They were having a rough period maybe back in 2023, but they've improved dramatically since then. So looking at the stock right now, it's trading around $5.50 a share. I do see potential upside to about $7.50 a share, or maybe a little bit lower, maybe to $7 a share. And that looks like what we could see within the next 6 months or maybe even less. To the downside, if it's trading below $5, I would say that mostly would suggest that the company has lost the upside momentum. It still will probably trade at that price or thereabouts, but at that stage, most likely it'd be best to get out.
This company is so fascinating. As you mentioned, it's based in Chicago, but it's the 9th largest silver producer in the world. And that little $5 stock is up nearly 80% for the year.
And a little teeny tiny company, I know, right? But yeah, they're big. So yeah, they're not a known company. Like most of us have never heard of them, but they are a New York Stock Exchange listed. So that means they've been established for a while. So yeah, this is a company that I was just looking at the data and it looks pretty good. As I said, they did have a pretty rough period between about 2021 to 2023. But since then, they've shown dramatic improvement. And that's the reason why I believe that this stock is poised for an upward trajectory. It reminds me a lot of Cliffs Natural Resources years ago, about 10 years ago. I remember that stock had it wasn't a mining stock. They did iron ore pellets or something like that. But I remember I had a similar situation where it was seeing falling sales and everything. And then all of a sudden they had these two really big contracts land and completely turn the stock around. So this looks like a very similar picture. So hopefully it plays out in the same way that the other did.
Mike, thank you for bringing that stock to our attention. It's definitely one to watch. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.